Hello there YouTube, you're very welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. In the last ride along video I said that I was going to talk about some car detailing products that I had here. So I'm going to kick off with this first one I have here, and I'm pretty sure most guys that have older cars, like, you know, what I'm messing about with, like stuff that's 10 years plus old, you know, if you're new to the world of detailing, you'll probably have come from the background of using the likes of when you have black trim on your car, like black door handles, bump strips on the side, black trim pieces on your bumpers, wiper arms, the black plastic in front of the scuttle panel where the windscreen wipers are. You know how that fades over time and it goes kind of dull and grey and lifeless looking. So you'll have probably been using products the likes of, you know, Back to Black or whatever the case may be, and as you well know, you put that stuff on and looks great for maybe 2 days, gets a shower of rain, and then you're back to square one. So we're going to have a talk about this stuff here, BRAYT R1 Regeneration. And this stuff is it's liquid, it's clear. When you open it up, it smells like varnish that you use on wood. Now we'll go to the car in a minute. I have this stuff a while. I have this stuff about maybe 4 or 5 weeks now at this stage, and I have tested it out on one door handle on the Merc, and I'll do the driver's door handle, maybe do like a 50-50. I'll tape off half it so you can see the difference. The only thing I'll say to you with this stuff is you want to wear gloves. If you're anything like me, I've got very sensitive skin on my hands. I have eczema. I've had it all my life, and I always get it on my hands, and it just kind of makes things look a bit unsavory at times. But you want to be wearing gloves using a lot of this kind of stuff anyway. So let's go to the car and we'll show you what's going on. Right, we're out here at the car. You can see this is the driver's side door handle, and it's untreated, and you can see how kind of grey and dull it looks. Okay, so I masked up the door handle. Well, just threw a bit of tape around it. You can't shake. As I said, you want gloves on you using this stuff. I'm just going to apply it with a microfiber cloth, and don't be afraid to put it on. I said, don't be afraid to put it on there. Let it soak in. I'll be quite liberal with it, and we'll let that sit for a few minutes, and we'll come back to you then. Oh, that's it after about 10 minutes or so, and I've taken off the tape. You just kind of buff it in then, or rub it in. But it's I think I put on maybe 2 coats there, so you can see. There's where the tape was, so you can see the difference. I think a few more coats and it'll make a huge difference. Let's do the rest of it. Like I said, don't be afraid to put it on. You just kind of leave it sitting heavy on it. Let it soak in. So I've ran around the car, door handle, all the roof trims, all the rubbers around the windows, strip across the back of the boot lid, number plates around, passenger door handle, and the scuttle panel and the wipers. I think that may need a second coat. I'm just going to let it fully go off and come back to it again. Did a few bits under the bonnet just for the crack. I have to do the engine bay, so I didn't go to town on it. Just done all the plastic in the header tank, rocker cover, air battery cover, pollen filter cover actually, and cover for the fuel injection, and a few other little bits and bobs, but it's good stuff. So I'll stick a link to where I got it in the description of this video. I don't know if you can use it on tyres. I have to find that out. I wouldn't think so. So but it's done a good job on all the black plastics on the car. So even done the little grills underneath there, just to take that dull, lifeless finish, even in around the Mercedes badge on the bonnet or on the grill. So yeah, it takes a few years off it now, I have to say. So there you go. So thanks for watching this video. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and give us a thumbs down if you don't. I'm not bothered either way, and we'll get you in the next one. This is George. All the best.